everyone, welcome to Math Media. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities of Class 8 Mathematics, the last portion, Compound Interest. Here we are solving exercise 8.3 questions C, D, E of question 1. Our first question is calculate the amount and compound interest on compounded rupees 62,500 for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. So children, how to solve this sum? First of all, we have to write what is given in the question. It is given that rupees 62,500 for 1.5 years. That means our principal P equal to rupees 62,500 and the time N equal to 1.5 years. That is nothing but 3/2 years. And 8% per annum means rate of interest R equal to 8% per annum compounded half yearly. We have to calculate amount A and compound interest. That we can write question mark. We can recollect the formula to find compound interest half yearly. Yes, amount A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 200 whole raised to 2n. Now we can substitute the values in the given formula. So we get A equal to 62,500 into 1 plus 8 upon 200 whole raised to 2 integer 3/2. First we can calculate the bracket. If we cancel 8 and 200, we get 1 upon 25. 1 plus 1 upon 25 will give 26 upon 25. Here 2 into 3/2, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. We get the year out n equal to 3. So we get A equal to 62,500 into 26 upon 25 whole cube. That means 62,500 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 multiplied by 26 upon 25. So if you multiply the numerators, 62,500 into 26 cube is 17,576. In the denominator, 25 into 25 will give 625 multiplied by one more 25 is there, that we have written separately here 25. While cancelling numerator and denominator, we get the numerator as 100 into 17,576, denominator as 1 and 25. Again we can cancel 100 and 25. So the numerator become 4 and denominator become 1. So we get 4 into 17,576. While multiplying, we get the answer as rupees 70,304. That is our amount. Now we can find compound interest. Do you know the formula of compound interest? Yes, that is amount minus principal. So we get rupees 70,304 minus rupees 62,500. While subtracting, we get rupees 700. Subtracting, we get rupees 7,804 as compound interest. So the amount is 70,304 and the compound interest is rupees 7,804. Next question D. We can calculate the amount and compound interest for rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% per annum compounded half yearly. So what is our first step? Yes, we have to write what is given in the question. Rupees 8,000 for 1 year means principal P equal to rupees 8,000. 1 year means N equal to time period N equal to 1 year. 9% per annum means rate of interest R equal to 9% per annum compounded half yearly. And we can find amount and compound interest. Put a question mark over there. Now can you recollect the formula for compound interest calculated half yearly? Yes, amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 200 whole raised to 2n. That means rate of interest become half and year become double twice. Now we can substitute the value on this formula. So we get A equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 9 upon 200 whole raised to 2 into 1. While solving the bracket, we get 200 plus 9 upon 200, that is 209 divided by 200 whole raised to 2. So in the next step we can write 8,000 into 209 upon 200 whole square equal to 8,000 into 209 upon 200 into 209 upon 200. We can multiply the numerators. So we get 8,000 into 209 into 209 whole divided by 200 into 20. 200 can be written as 20 into 10. So 200 into 20 we can write it as 4,000 into 10. Clear? And now we can cancel 8,000 and 4,000. So the numerator becomes 2 and the denominator become 1. Now we can multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So we get 2 into 209 into 209 whole divided by 10. While multiplying 2 into 209 into 209, we get 87,302 divided by 10. Division by 10 means remove one digit from the right side and put a decimal. So we get 8,736.20. That is, our amount is rupees 8,736.20. Now what we have to find? Yes, compound interest. Do you know the formula of compound interest? Yes, compound interest is amount minus principal. Substitute the value over there. So we get rupees 8,736.20 minus 8,000. While subtracting, we get the answer as 736.20, which is our compound interest. Next we move to the last question. The amount is rupees 8,736.8% and compound interest is rupees 736. Calculate the compound amount and compound interest. So what is our first step? Yes, we have to write what is given in the question. What is given in the question? Rupees 10,000 for 1 year means principal P equal to rupees 10,000 and time period N equal to 1 year and rate of interest R equal to 8% per annum compounded half yearly. And we have to find amount and compound interest, that we can put a question mark. Now do you remember the formula of compound interest? Yes, compound interest calculated half yearly, then the formula for amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 200 whole raised to 2n. Now we can substitute the value on this formula. So we get amount A equal to 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 200 whole raised to 2 into 1. While calculating the bracket, we get 8 and 200 can be cancelled. It will become 1 upon 25. 1 plus 1 upon 25 becomes 25 plus 1 whole divided by 25. That is 26 by 25 whole raised to 2 into 1 is 2. So in the next step we can write 10,000 into 26 upon 25 whole square equal to 10,000 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. Now multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So we get 10,000 into 26 into 26 whole divided by 25 into 25. While cancelling 25 and 10,000, we get the numerator as 400 and denominator as 1. Again we can cancel 400 and 25. So the numerator becomes 16 and denominator become 1. So the numerator is 16 into 26 into 26 whole divided by 1. While multiplying these numbers, we get rupees 10,816. So our amount is rupees 10,816. Now what we have to find out? Yes, we have to find the compound interest. How to find compound interest? Yes, by subtracting the principal from the amount. So the formula is A minus B. Compound interest is A minus B equal to, substitute the value, rupees 10,816 minus rupees 10,000. If we subtract this, we will get answer as rupees 816, which is our compound interest. Hence the amount is rupees 10,816 and the compound interest is rupees 800. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.